Hey folks, today we're gonna check out and do a review on this Hyperax 2023 Volt RV. This is a e-bike rated, RV rated bike carrier. It's capable of 160 pounds total, and it can do a bike with 58-inch wheelbase, which is close to what my big bike is. Which is why we wanted this one, and we're gonna open it up and check it out and assemble it and try it out. Get it open. Okay. Oh wait, gotta cut the top. Alright, so it comes with instructions. Thank goodness, because I don't know how this big bike rack fit in this little bitty box. Wow, that's a big old wheel holder right there. But I have a big old wheel, 29-inch wheel.
No, mine are 26.
Yeah. One of the main differences between the regular Volt RV and the 2023 Volt RV is they upgraded to a metal post mount instead of a plastic one that you'll see reviews on that cracked. People that bought the other one that cracked, this company, however, sent the replacement ones that are metal. One thing I really like is this right here tells you once you get your depth right for your pin, it automatically tells you you can lock it in and set it for the receiver. So, the only issue I have is I have a 3-inch receiver with a 2-inch reducer, and this bolt will not fit in here and work like it should, so we're gonna have to look at that. But we mostly got this for the back of the RV to carry the bikes with, and to put on the wife's Subaru. All right, let's see what's next. here. And that lays down. It's ready to load a bike.
Spoiled.
You were when you outran me the first 6 months.
Oh, those days are long gone.
Those days are long gone.
Yep.
Alright, so Hyperax has their own adapter for step-through bikes and bikes with lower crossbars. So this one we're going to put on this bike. Let's do that first. Then that. So we're going to have to take my bike that way. Move your bike that way as well. So this is actually getting there. See, right now it's going to grab your seat.
Yeah.
So we need to shift everything to the driver's side of the vehicle. Go back this way just a hair. That one's fine. This one just has to move up. Well, after very little adjustment, we got the tire loops in place, which means we don't have to do that again as long as we put the bikes back the way they are now. So basically put the big bike in the back, put your 26-inch in the outside. Everything's adjusted. We got the 2 safety straps on. So we got both of them in place. We have these locked with the keys, the arms, the pinks down. All the straps are on. So basically, it's ready to go. What I really like about it is the amount of room here.
Yeah.
There's nothing gonna scratch your truck or your vehicle. Based off it hanging out this far off my truck, hopefully it's plenty on the Subaru. And when we put the receiver on the fifth wheel here, we'll make sure that the pin is about that far out away from the camper. So we can use that measurement to get a good idea. And the keys, each one of the arms that's holding the bike to the rack is locked. So in other words, you can't push this button and get this arm up to take your bike off this rack without the key. This key is the same key for the actual pin lock.
Oh,
so
great.
The whole, your old hitch don't come up missing.
Right.
So
it's great. It's a security feature. You can see the difference in the tires, and it's good for either one of them. Spreader bar, so mine fits on there.
What we'll do now is we're going to take the bikes off and see what it looks like folded up. That's what they call folded up. This is one of them. See these little guys here? See that little guy right there?
Yep.
So if you have it in your shop, at your house, that little hook right there. Hanging on the wall. Should hang like that.
Nice. Okay. I love that. One less thing we have to worry about where we're going to put it.
Right. So that's it.
Good job, honey.
So you carry it around like that if you man now. I would say it's just bulky, but it's probably 50 pounds, maybe less. The box was not super heavy.
No, I picked it up and put it in the truck, so it didn't
I'm
weigh.
surprised because I thought I seen 95 pounds somewhere, but
Yeah.
that's not 100.
Well, I have been working out, so
Okay.
could be.
Well, I haven't. So. Back together. Hey, what's going on? In today's episode, we're gonna try out a new bike rack. You heard me. That's right, a bike rack. You may ask, why do you need a bike rack for an RV when it's 45 foot long with a 13-foot garage? Because you have to take everything.
Huge thank you to Hyperax for making it happen.
And come to find out, the free gift it gives you, that's a bottle opener for celebrating when you're done.
Let's go celebrate.